We're out here at Raymond Elementary for their field day powered by Pepco. We are proud partners of DC United and DC Scores, and we are very happy to be able to bring this to the kids, being able to give them one last day of school where they can have fun with their friends and their teachers and their coaches, and being able to learn about energy and about how Pepco is more than energy in the community.
So Pepco are the sponsors of the Raymond Elementary School DC Scores team. And that's not just putting the Pepco logo on the Raymond jerseys. Pepco shows up and shows out at every single event. I think what's beautiful about the partnership is it's gone beyond just support of the DC Scores team, and Pepco now support the entire Raymond school.
So DC Scores is an amazing partner for us. We call it the favorite part of our day, so it's just a great program for the kids. Thank you to Pepco, DC United, DC Scores for everything you do.